Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Today guys we will take a look at the Australian dollar mostly, as there we have the interesting setup that will give you a few ideas for trading. While on euro currency, well, yesterday we in general have discussed the current situation that we have. So on the dollar index we have the double repo pattern, but since this double repo mostly has that feature of the retracements, it's not some reversal pattern, so this mostly a reaction on the strong resistance. And everybody understands that this is temporal pullback, and in general the shape of this pullback is also, as you can see, not straightforward. So we do not see something that this kind. So it's gradual. On intraday charts we even have the ABCD pattern, so if you drop your time frame you could see it. And by this ABCD pattern you could see that market should move slightly lower. So as you can see, for this ABCD, the 50% support that we initially have discussed probably should be reached within the few sessions. At the same time, as I said, as traders understand that this is mostly the retracement type of action, euro reacts not equally to the upward action on the dollar index and to the downward action. So yesterday it was upward bounce, and you could see significant drop has happened here, while on the upward action some pullback. This reaction is not as strong. So it means that as dollar index almost has reached the targets, it's just halfway it's passed already, it could happen that euro currency will not be able to pass through this resistance. Initially we thought that maybe market will move higher, reach the 50% level 1730 together with the completion of the target on the dollar index, but currently it seems so that market probably will spend the all time somewhere around this area. At least currently, guys, I did not see a good background for taking the long position on euro currency, because when the dollar index completes the retracement, it should turn up again. Its overall fundamental background stands supportive to the dollar, and that will make the pressure on euro currency. So the downside action that we initially thought should happen a bit earlier might happen a bit later. So from that standpoint, the bullish background, bullish context on euro currency looks not very reliable currently, at least to us. So that's what I would like to add to our recent discussion. So now let's take a look at the Australian dollar here, as we have interesting setup. It looks very nice. So on the daily chart you could see we have the accurate ABCD action to the upside. CD leg stands slightly slower than the AB, which is a good sign for a deep retracement. And here, as we have the catalyst triple to sell and agreement resistance here, it's almost agreement. With the OP, the minimum target of the triple two, as you know, it's approximately 30% drop. It's at minimum, so it's around 73.80, somewhere at this level. Right on top we have bearish reversal candle, as you can see here, and in fact this is engulfing. So after the minor pullback, if our suggestion is correct and retracement starts, this market should show some extension. This might be the first trade with this pattern. Second scenario might follow from this upward action. So you can see in general this is not bad thrust by the Jordan approach. So really nice upward action. And once the minimum target of the triple two will be completed, I'm not excluding that we could get the bread and butter buy trade here. That's the two setups that we could consider. So what will happen next? Well, theoretically it might happen that downward action will continue, because every Australian dollar also stands in relation to the United States dollar, and if retracement will be over with the same double repo that we just have discussed, it also could turn down again. So we will see. But currently with this situation, at least the two scenarios, two trading setups we could get. On the longer time frame on hourly charts, take a look market showing upward bounce here. And in the first glance, currently it seems that 75.10 area might be interesting, 75.05. This is ABCD OP target and agreement with the 75.10 fib level. So that's the stop that we could consider. Maybe it will be interesting to somebody of you and fits to your trading plan, trading suggestion, especially if you're trading the Aussie dollar regularly. So that's the setup for Friday. Let's see how it will turn.